Herb hydroponics, a new era of unique and soilless farming. Introduction to herb hydroponics. Herb hydroponics is a groundbreaking method of growing fresh, aromatic herbs without soil. This system enhances the health and flavor of the plants while promoting sustainability through efficient water use and reduced environmental impact. It represents a modern, eco-friendly approach to herb cultivation. What is herb hydroponics? Hydroponic farming, soilless cultivation using nutrient-rich water. Overview of hydroponic systems: deep water culture, nutrient film technique, ebb and flow. Optimized resource use and high-quality yields in controlled environments. Benefits of herb hydroponics. Water conservation, up to 90% less water usage than traditional farming. Space efficiency, grow more herbs in smaller spaces, perfect for urban settings. Faster growth, accelerated growth rate compared to soil-grown herbs. Environmentally friendly, reduced need for pesticides, minimized water usage. Herbs suitable for hydroponic cultivation. Basil, aromatic and fast-growing, adaptable to most hydroponic systems. Mint, resilient and vigorous, grows well in hydroponic setups. Parsley, thrives in nutrient-rich water, providing continuous harvests. Cilantro, distinct flavor and fast growth, ideal for controlled environments. Oregano, strong aroma and flavor, adapts well to nutrient solutions. Setting up a herb hydroponic system. Choosing the right location. Natural light, south-facing windows or artificial grow lights. Ventilation, proper air circulation to prevent mold. Accessibility, conveniently located near the kitchen for easy access. Proximity to water, simplifies maintenance when near a water source. Essential components of a hydroponic system. Reservoir, holds nutrient solution, should be opaque and covered. Growing medium, choices include rock wool, perlite, clay pebbles, or coconut coir. Water pump, ensures efficient nutrient distribution to plant roots. Aeration equipment, supplies oxygen for healthy root growth. pH adjustment tools, maintain proper pH levels for optimal nutrient absorption. Nutrient solutions and pH control. Importance of balanced nutrient solutions and pH monitoring. Regular adjustments ensure optimal growth and flavor development in herbs. Maintenance and care of herb hydroponics. Monitoring plant health, regular checks for nutrient deficiencies, pests, or stress. Preventing common issues. Root rot, caused by overwatering or poor oxygenation. Nutrient imbalances, regular monitoring and adjustments. Algae buildup, control light exposure and nutrient concentrations to prevent growth. Harvesting and regrowth techniques. Harvesting, use sharp, clean tools to prevent plant damage. Post-harvest handling, proper cleaning, drying, and storage for freshness. Regrowth, maintain ideal conditions to encourage multiple harvest cycles. Herb hydroponics in urban environments. Vertical farming solutions, efficient use of space, enabling abundant urban herb cultivation. Community and rooftop gardens. Rooftop gardens help reduce heat and improve air quality. Community gardens promote social interaction and sustainable urban living. Sustainability and environmental impact. Reduction of food miles, growing locally reduces greenhouse gas emissions and food transportation. Resource conservation, water recycling reduces overall consumption. Minimal environmental impact, low-impact farming reduces soil erosion and biodiversity loss. Conclusion. Herb hydroponics blends modern innovation with traditional gardening, enabling year-round, eco-friendly herb cultivation. It enhances health and culinary experiences, offering a perfect mix of technology and nature for fresh, flavorful gardening. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Your support means a lot and helps keep the channel going. See you in the next one.